poppin', you guys? Okay, so today I wanted to come at you with a random Shein haul. It's a little bit more on the random spectrum. I'm showing you different things that they can actually offer on Shein, and it is actually part of like their very big collaboration right now that they're doing. That is the Shein summer sale launch day starting from today. Save money, live in style. This is like random stuff that you can get on Shein that's like not clothing or accessories. It's like fun stuff, like fun random stuff that you can get. And you can actually use my code SMP2668 for 15% off of any purchase. That is SMP2668 to get 15% off of any purchase. And I'll have it in the description bar and I'll have it down in my comments. Okay, well, let's get into the haul. It is a cute, short, but sweet haul. There's a couple things in here that we got that I'm very happy about. I'm very excited about. I'm very excited to use. It's just like cute random stuff. It's just really cute random stuff. So let's start off with, I guess we could start off with this. I got myself this eyeliner aid, like eyeliner stick thing, where what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to like put it on your eye like this, and it makes a wing for you. Like, it makes it easier for you to draw a wing. I think you do it like this, and it does like a wing. It's like really cool, and like you can use it for like other things as well. Like this right here you can use for face cream application, eyeliner applying aid, mascara drawing aid as well, lipstick wearing aid. It's really cool. I'm excited to test it out. I'm not going to test it out right now, but I do know that it's probably going to work. Like, this looks really cool, you know. So I'll definitely test that out very, very soon, but I'm not going to test it out at this very moment. I also got these lashes, because I've been needing lashes. I always run out of lashes. I always need lashes, you know what I mean? A girl loves a good lash. So I got myself these. These are actually, I'm not actually 100% sure. I don't know. I have them down in the description bar, so you guys can get these exact lashes down in the description. But I got these lashes, which are really beautiful, very hairy, very cute. I also got, I accidentally bought this in a children's size. I didn't buy this in the adult size, so I don't know if this is going to work for me. But I saw it, and I thought it was so cool, so that's the only reason I got it. It's this really cool, this is so, like, quirky and funny. It's this super cool toothbrush. But this is for kids, so it's not going to work on all my teeth, sadly. But I also need to charge it. Girl, it has different vibration options. That's a little off. But anyways, so it has different vibration options, and it's this really cool like toothbrush situation. It's like an electric toothbrush that's supposed to brush all your teeth at once. I'm excited to test it out, even though I know it's not going to get all my teeth. Like, I'm going to have to get my molars myself, but I feel like this would still be kind of like interesting to use, because like, I don't know, girl, it's funny. Like, look at it. It's a little panda with like a toothbrush on the top. So I'm excited to use that, and I got that on Shein. Like, that's just so funny to like get on Shein. I don't know. And then I also got myself, so you guys know that I've been like on this like trip of wanting to get myself like wigs and things like that, because like, I don't know, it's just fun to like own wigs for some reason. Like, it's just really fun. So I got myself this super pretty, literally super cute, oh, this is like intense. This is like a real wig, looky. I got this super cute pink like vibe. Let me see if I can, I don't have my hair correctly for me to be able to wear this, but look at this. And it comes with like a little bang. This is so cute. So stinking cute. Hold on. Let me take out the hair that's in here. Girl, I look like a little anime character. Look how cute that is. I just want more wigs. I don't know. I love owning wigs just because. Like, it's just fun. It's just fun to say you own wigs. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. It's just fun. So I've been getting a lot of wigs from, like, Shein and stuff, and like I even got some from like other places, but like Shein's wigs are honestly not that bad. Like this is honestly not that bad, and I have it in the description as well. Obviously this would probably look way better if like I actually installed it, and if I knew how to install it. I don't know how to do that, but you know, it's cute though. This is cute if you want to do a little cosplay, or if you just want like a quick little easy hairdo for the day, you know what I'm saying? Like it's super cute, super stinking cute. So I got myself this wig because it's just fun, girl. Like that's just fun. And then the last thing I got are these razors, girl. I got myself this like pack of like shavers. This is probably like honestly a great gift for like Father's Day, even though I know we already passed it sadly, but this would be a great gift for Father's Day, or like a late Father's Day gift. It comes with like the meaty boy, you know what I mean, like the one meant for like your head, and it does turn on. I've already tried them. I've already actually tried these out. I tried this one out on my intimate area and it worked fantastically. It also has like really cute like little details everywhere. Like there's like little clouds, and like it's just like really cute like razors. Like they're honestly like really cute. It also comes with a nose trimmer. I guess I could try the nose trimmer with you guys. This is scary though. I've never tried a nose trimmer. Ooh, that's scary. I don't know. Ah, this is scary. Ah, I'm scared. This shouldn't be scary. This shouldn't be scary. I should be fine. I should be fine. I should be fine. I got some nose hairs. That is so cool. I just shaved my nose hairs with you. But yeah, it's really cool. It's this really cool kit that comes with 3 like shaving devices, okay, different sizes. And then it comes with a really cute comb. Super cute Pride Month comb. And it comes with obviously like the guards and stuff. It comes with a bunch of guards. It also comes with I'm assuming this is like one of those like shawl things that you wear while you're getting your haircut done, so that's really cool. And it also comes with hair scissors. Oh my goodness, it comes with a full kit, girl. Like it's literally like the full kit. It also comes with like a little brush so you can clean their shits, and it comes with the chargers and stuff, obviously. And it's like just really cool kit. Like it's just honestly like a really cool kit for the price. And you get all this stuff. But yeah, anyway, so that's everything that I got from Shein. It was a really cute, short but sweet, you know, little haul. Don't forget, you can use my code SMP2668 so you can get 15% off of your purchase. And yeah, girl, have fun. Go and live life, breathe air, and get yourself some cute little fun quirky things on Shein, girl. It's not just for clothes, it's for other things too. But yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Love you guys.